कोई भी क्लेम कर लो, इंडियंस को तो सब कुछ चलता है, लेकिन इंडियन ब्रांड्स को क्या डर है? खुलकर झूठ बोलो। आर यू एग्जॉस्टेड विद दिस 100% नेचुरल आयुर्वेदिक वेलनेस, ये वो इतने क्लेम्स, और सच्चाई कितनी होती है इन चीजों में? 1% भी नहीं. I am so sick and tired. By nature, I'm someone who likes to go with the proof. Being a journalist, it's my job to go to the very roots of any claim that anybody makes. Any brand that you see, be it in any industry, skincare, cosmetics, wellness, whey protein, hygiene, anything. Sare products are usually, now these brands have marketing-led founders. So what's happening is, marketing को पहला प्रायोरिटी दिया जाता है, रिसर्च, डेवलपमेंट एंड ऑथेंटिसिटी ऑफ द एक्चुअल प्रोडक्ट विच वी आर पुटिंग इनसाइड अस. उसको ठीक है, देख लेंगे, कोई भी क्लेम कर लो, इंडियंस को तो सब कुछ चलता है, राइट? नॉट एनी मोर. एटलीस्ट नॉट ऑन MQM, एटलीस्ट नॉट ऑन Mizbla. What we provide you is not those aesthetic, fancy, YB reels. What we can provide you is proper, in-depth, research-driven content that you can trust with authenticity. क्योंकि हम claims नहीं करेंगे, हम आपको लेकर चलेंगे at the exact route. We'll take you to the factory where that product is made. We'll take you inside the bottle. Because what you're putting on your skin or what is going inside you, definitely उसको तो importance चाहिए ना. So we will not make any claims. We will take you right to the root cause of where the product is made and how true every claim is. You check out all the leading brands in India, किसी भी industry, किसी भी sector का. One thing you'll find in common is they make false claims. Well, the Advertising Council of India has strictly prohibited any kind of misleading product labeling, any kind of false exaggerated claims. लेकिन Indian brands को क्या डर है? खुलकर झूठ बोलो. One drop of product ingredient is used और उसका नाम ही रख देते हैं कि neem infused product है. Do you know how much of that neem has been used? Whether it is neem concentrate or actually neem being used. ये सारी false claims के पीछे जाकर research कर आपको proof के साथ दिखाना कि वो product, वो brand कितना authentic है. That's our job. There are such beautiful words that hold so much meaning. A word like collaboration. Collaboration was not meant to be just restricted to social media platforms where you can just pay someone and anyone can pay anyone to say and make claims about anything. Sometimes even without actually using that product. कहीं पर भी किसी को भी you can sell your values and ethics. At MQM News Network, a collaboration is something very sacred. Indian consumers are no longer getting fooled with these fancy aesthetic ads or those influencer-led campaigns. Indian consumer is now wise enough to know क्या बॉडी के अंदर या ऊपर लग रहा है. Imported महंगे products लाकर anybody can claim to be using great products. You're paying that much and you have to wait for those imports and you can see the situation globally. How about showing real patriotism by actually going vocal for local? How about opting for Make in India by actually supporting brands that don't fool you, but with the support of MQM News Network, get you awareness about the industry, awareness about the brand, awareness about the ingredients that go into that product. If you are such a brand, get in touch with us because we don't promise you YB aesthetic fancy reels. What we promise is we will not fool your consumer. We will show everything that is real, raw and needed because the Indian consumer is not foolish and for the Indian consumer it's no longer about सब कुछ चलता है क्योंकि सब कुछ नहीं चलता है. अब पर्दाफाश होना जरूरी है. And at MQM News Network, our followers are very well aware that we don't mince our words, we don't show lies. What we show is what is the truth. If you are a brand based anywhere in India, if you think you provide product with value, reach out to us because we will work with you. Leave the rest to us because we are looking to work with people, with brands, with initiatives that actually serve the purpose that they claim to serve. Our contact details are mentioned below. Get in touch with us. Let's create something authentic wherein we don't need to push out advertisement spend crores on false advertising, spend lakhs on influencer marketing, which probably ends up calling any and every brand exclusive. Get in touch. Let's make magic happen. Jai Bharat, Jai Innovation.